What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be picking up the wind deflector for my CLK500. There's a guy on Marketplace, he's selling it pretty cheap, and the purpose of getting the wind deflector, especially obviously for the convertible tops, is that it helps reduce like the wind vortex when you're driving. You know, like my hair, it won't be flopping everywhere when I'm driving, especially at highway speeds. It reduces the wind noise, so like I can enjoy my music. And if anybody's in the passenger seat, we can have a clear conversation without having to yell over the wind. So definitely gonna get that. It's a very great accessory to have, and it's an OEM fit. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, what it looked like, and the purpose of it today. So I'll catch you guys in the same video. But first, let's get a cold start. Get the money here. Now we got the money. Now we on our way to go get it. So like, as you guys now, I don't have the wind deflector. You guys can probably still hear me good because this camera has a really good audio. But yeah, like this is without the wind deflector. And I still got about like 15 minutes before I get to the guy's house. So like now I'm accelerating. And if you guys can hear me, which you guys should be able to, there is some wind noise and stuff. I don't know if it's picking up on the microphone, but this is normally what it sounds like when I don't have the wind deflector and with the top down. Still kind of clear, you can still hear me, but you know, it can be better. Okay guys, so we are back and I got the wind deflector right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like right here. As you guys can see, it's real simple. This is gonna help, like I said, reduce wind noise, reduce your hair going crazy, being able to have conversations, and it's also gonna truly make it into a coupe. It's gonna make the rear seats obviously not available because it's got to go over the rear seats. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So as you just put that one side in, and then you're gonna go ahead, flip this lever over and push that in. And that's all this is right here. Okay, so I finally got it on. So what you guys actually have to do is that these little clicks right here, they have to go in the actual seat belt area for the rear seats. That way this part doesn't come up. And then all you're gonna do is, like I said, like I showed you earlier, you put the one side in on that side, and then this side has the lever right here that you would go back. Obviously it's clicked in, but you would go back so that you can lower this in into that hole there. And you just click it in, and then you lift this up. This can go down or up. Obviously you want it up, so now when the wind travels, it's going to travel over on top of here and go around through the back. So now all we need to do is just take this for a drive. Very simple, and I got this for a hell of a deal. So we're going to see if this was worth it. So what's up, guys? It's definitely quieter now. Like I can actually like talk and everything now. Like this makes a huge difference. Like I didn't think this was gonna make that big of a difference. It definitely do. I even listen to my own music, and yeah, this is definitely like a must-have right here. Most definitely. This definitely changes like the convertible top experience. Like it definitely makes it way more convenient, nicer, more luxurious, because now I can hear everything. So for sure, definitely a must-have. All right, guys, so one thing I gotta say is that this is a very good addition to add to your convertible top if you already don't have a wind deflector. But I will say, at highway speeds, the flap, this part here, might go down like that. That's normal, because you don't want that stress on the spring, or else it could crack the frame or break it entirely. But it still works even when this is fully down like that. It's designed to do that. So Mercedes thought about that. It still helps. It does so much to the cabin of the car. It changes how like I said, it changes the whole experience of the convertible top. It's quieter. You can hear the music more. You can have conversations now. So definitely, like, I say it's a must-have, to be completely honest with you. And it comes in a little like storage box, so this actually folds up and everything, as you guys saw earlier. So it's easy to store. You don't always have to have it, but shoot, me, I mean, I don't ever have anybody in the back. So, but yeah, so that's it. Definitely, guys, if you guys have a CLK500 or any CLK platform that's a convertible, this is definitely a must-have. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.